your name? I said, my name is Billy. He said, okay, I'm Kobe. I'm like, man, everybody knows you. You're Kobe.
Billy Bridges grew up in Los Angeles rooting for the Lakers, watching a teenager named Kobe Bryant grow into a global star. Bridges moved to Memphis as a teenager himself back in 2008 to get a fresh start, and while still in school, lucked into a job as a Grizzlies ball boy. It was during the 2008 season that Bridges met his hero right here at FedEx Forum in the visitors' locker room. It was an encounter that he'll never forget.
He asked me to change out his shoestrings in his shoes, so I did that. You know, he told me thank you, he appreciated it. He asked me how's everything going. I told him, you know, everything was cool, and he made me feel like he knew me.
Bridges chatted with Kobe for what felt like an eternity before that game, in which Kobe carved up the Grizzlies for 36 points. He describes an experience that matches tributes from athletes and fans alike, that Kobe was bigger than basketball.
He's who you looked up to, you know, growing up, and he just means so much to the basketball world.
His impact is something that you can't really fathom because it's just so great.
The news of Kobe's passing devastated Bridges.
My heart just dropped.
But he's hanging on to that moment before a Lakers and Grizzlies game when he got to hang out with his idol.
It feels good to know that I can always go back to that memory and know that, you know, I had a one-on-one conversation with Kobe Bryant.
Reporting in downtown Memphis, Peter Fleischer, WREG News Channel 3.